Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Botany with Sadhana. In the last video we had discussed about algae and in this video we will discuss about bryophytes. So what are bryophytes? Bryophytes are the amphibians of plant kingdom and these include mosses and liverworts. The main location where bryophytes are presence or location. Bryophytes are present in damp, shaded areas of the hills. And bryophytes are of two types, mosses and liverworts. Bryophytes are also known as amphibian of plant kingdom. Why they are called so? Because can anyone guess why they are called amphibians of plant kingdom? Like amphibian, they show dual nature, present on terrestrial as well as aquatic. Means they are present or the requirement of both terrestrial as well as aquatic system, aquatic surface. Means they are growing on land, but for fertilization they are dependent on water. That's why they are called as amphibians of plant kingdom. So bryophytes are the amphibians of plant kingdom. They are present in the damp, shaded, marshy areas, and they are divided into two parts, mosses and liverworts. Excuse me. Now, bryophytes, main body of the bryophyte. Earlier, as we have seen in algae, the main plant body is thalloid or thallus-like. Whereas in case of bryophytes, it is not properly thalloid type of the plant body, but it is more or less similar, but a little bit advanced stage. So main body is thalloid-like. Thalloid-like plant body, where true roots, true stem and true leaf are absent. Means true root, leaves or stem are absent. In case in case of root, and there is root like structure is present. Root like structure is present in bryophytes called as rhizoids, which can be unicellular or multicellular. And stem like structure is present and leaf like structure is present. So the basic structure is like leaf like structure perform photosynthesis, rhizoid, stem like and leaf like structure. So the main plant body of bryophyte consists of rhizoid, stem-like structure and leaf-like structure. I hope it is clear to you. Now we will move to the next part in which we will study about the reproduction in the bryophytes. In bryophytes, sexual reproduction occurs. How it occurs? Male reproductive organ is archegonium. Female reproductive organ is called antheridium, whereas female reproductive organ is called archegonium. In case of male reproductive organ or antheridium, antherozoids are present or they are released in water. Actually, they are biflagellated. Biflagellated antherozoids are released in water, and archegonium consists of egg cell or egg. We generally call it as egg. Biflagellated zoos antherozoids are released in water, where with the help of flagella they swim and reach to the mouth of the egg and the fertilization take place. So how this sexual reproduction occurs in bryophytes? With the help of biflagellated antherozoids, which move and reaches to the mouth of the archegonium or the egg. So after fertilization, zygote is formed, which is saprophyte in nature, means presence of to an or diploid stage. Now, zygote not immediately enter into the reduction or the next phase, but for some time it possesses the sporophytic phase or diploid. After some time, zygote produces spores which are by reduction, mitosis, or meiosis. Some cells of zygote or some cells of the main plant body differentiated and undergo mitosis and produce spores which are haploid in nature. These haploid plant body again divide, further grow and produces two types of spores, male spores or female spores. They further grow and develop as male plant body and female plant body. These are the main or dominant stage in the case of bryophytes, means gametophyte condition is dominant in case of bryophytes, and saprophytic condition is dependent on gametophytic condition, means zygote is present in this plant body and they derive nutrition from the zygote derive nutrition from the main plant body, which is haploid in nature or gametophytic in nature. Means, actually I'll show a diagram in a diagrammatic manner. Now let's start from here. Where the fusion of this zygote after some time produce spores which are of two types, male spore and female spores, which are further divided into the plant body. These produce spores fertilization takes place here. This is the saprophytic and this is the gametophytic phase, and this is 2N. I hope life cycle or brief discussion about bryophyte is clear to you. Now next we will move to the mosses and liverworts.